Alright, so this word problem is really just the same thing that we've been seeing all along here in this worksheet. Really, we're taking a look at the ratio of the volume of the larger crate to that of the smaller crate. So when we're talking about volume, remember, it's going to be length times width times height for this rectangular prism. So it doesn't really matter about the order. I have 4x times 2x plus 12 times 3x plus 6. Okay. This is volume of the large crate. Okay. Over here I have the volume of the small crate. It's going to be the same kind of setup, length times width times height. Remember, once again, it doesn't matter about the order. 2x times x. And really what they're asking for here is the ratio of the volume of the larger to that of the smaller. So really what we're looking at is volume large over volume small. And in this case, I have, I'm going to go and write it, like take out common factors here. So I have a 4x times 2 times x plus 6 for that numerator. And I'm also going to take out a 3 from that second term, for the third factor, I guess. This would be x plus 2. And this would be all over x plus 6 times 2x times another x. Okay. So here I can see the x plus 6's will cancel out. I can also see that one of the 2's will cancel. I can cancel 1x with one of these x's. Looks like that's it at this point. So up top I'm going to be left with a 4 times 3, so that's 12. So I'll have 12 times x plus 2, and that's all over x. Okay. So we can simplify that a little bit further here and just give us 12x plus 24 over x. And that'll be our final result for this problem.